making my very first explosion box. Okay, so I tried to record as much as I can, but it really took a long time to do it. It took me about an hour just to cut all the pieces for the boxes, and then probably another 2 hours plus to assemble the box. And it was a lot of work, but I really enjoyed it. It came out so awesome. It came out better than I expected, and I will definitely do it again. I will just make sure that I have more time in the day to do it, but this is so cool and I love it. And here is my assembled box. So cute. There we